How to log in to Discord with QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to log into Discord with QR code. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Discord app is up to date. So if not, go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store, type in Discord, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Once you have done updating your Discord app, then now you may open it. So make sure to open Discord both on your phone and also on your laptop or your PC. So when you are using your laptop or PC, please go to discord.com/login on your web browser. And now on your phone, make sure to click on these three lines first on the upper left corner of the screen, and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are here, make sure to click on Scan QR code, and then simply direct your camera to the screen of your laptop or PC. And then click on Yes, log me in, and then look at your PC or laptop, and then you have logged in on your PC or laptop without the use of your login email, your username, and also your password. So that's it. That's how you can log into Discord with QR code.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.